morning! Let's eat breakfast. Look guys, I have a boiled egg here and also a fruit. A peras guys. So, let's eat my breakfast. Ayan. It's a boiled egg. I eat only a boiled egg guys. And morning. And a small amount of rice. Hi! Good morning. Look guys. This one only my food for today. A boiled egg. So yummy. Hi. Oh. Hi everyone. And to eat fruits. A kiwi. So maasim. Hi, hello there. Oh yeah, let's eat breakfast. A boiled egg. This one is one of my favorite fruits guys, peras. So yummy, ang tamis niya guys. Hi, good morning. Good morning everyone. Please do subscribe my channel guys. Subscribe more guys to my channel. Boiled egg. So yummy. Sarap na guys. Sarap. So, I'm finished.